Enjoy the view of this 2020 Toyota Camry. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, power driver seat, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm, rear spoiler, traction control. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.